them except what you already know, which is that there is an investigation underway, that there is a complaint that has been filed, that there are proceedings underway, but no decision has been made.
But you haven't been involved in those proceedings?
No.
Were you surprised to find out that some recused themselves from the investigation, not to bring in special investigation force?
I am not surprised that they did. I think the more important question is not whether they did recuse, but whether or not there will be a fair and impartial decision making. You understand, the issue is not who is deciding, but whether the decision is fair. Because you see, if you change the personalities, but have the same unfair principles in different persons, then all you've done is just change the costume, but kept the same actors.
What do you think?
Are you arguing that if you're impeached or sanctions are levied against you, that would be a violation of the religious freedom law? Is this setting up a potential contest case on that?
First of all, it is a violation. Let me be very clear.
You argue it's already been violated.
It has already happened. The violation has already happened. I have been stripped from hearing any death penalty cases. So, period. That's a violation that's happened. And that is not history that can be undone. So this isn't a test case. This is a real case.
But do you plan on trying to take any action under the RFRA because of that?
I will fight this as long as there is fire in my body and breath in my spirit.
Is that an option you're considering?
That's not an option. That's a reality. I do not misunderstand what freedom means. I am not a slave. I am a free man. And I will behave as a free preacher and a free judge as long as I am me.
I guess, do you plan on going to court on the basis that this is a RFRA violation?
It is a RFRA violation. And unless it is cured, there will be a court action. That's a yes.
I heard a lot of statements about you're the wrong Christian. What type Christian are we talking about that you're the wrong Christian?
Well, you understand, there have been Christians who have been judges who have said that abortion is a sin, but they weren't sanctioned and they weren't told to get off cases involving abortion. There have been Christians who are anti-LGBTQ equality, and they have been left on cases involving equality. There have been Christians, or there have been people who have not had in faith, who have ruled in cases involving questions of faith. But they have not been said that they are the wrong kind of judge. Why is it that a person of faith who believes in worker justice, who believes in equal justice, who believes in justice for LGBTQ equality, who believes in justice for reproductive rights for people, whatever their gender or gender they may be, why is it that that kind of judge can be sanctioned?
Do you believe it's really a problem with religion, or is it more a personality problem? People have issues with you, and they're just using this as a vehicle to get to you.
It's a problem with justice. Whoever it is, I simply happen to be the person today. But remember, King was right. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. I'm going to ask you to excuse me because I have another commitment to make. Thank you for being here today.
One quick question, Judge. Since that day, has there been any moment that you've regretted laying on that cot?
Never a moment. I will go to my death with two things in my mind. There was one right place for me that day. I was there. And if I had to do it 1,000 times, I would be right back there doing that. And I'll go to my Maker and say, I'll take whatever that means.
Thank you.
That means well done.